Hello there, how are you doing? This is Ramesh, I'm a PC technician. In this quick video, we are going to show you how to download and update the Realtek HD Audio Manager on your Windows operating system. If you are using a HD driver, don't worry, we can update it with the Realtek HD audio driver. Let me show you how. Before jumping to the tutorial, request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Friend, this is how you can support us. Okay, let's jump to the tutorial. Open the Windows search bar and search for Device Manager. Open that Device Manager. Let me verify which driver I'm having. Click on the Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Then you will find the driver which has installed. In my case, I have installed High Definition Audio Device. Here I need to install with Realtek HD Audio Manager. Okay, let me show you how we can download and install it. Close the window right now. Now open any browser. This time in the search bar type Realtek. That's it. Then hit enter. Now you will find the home page, that is www.realtek.com. Make sure you are on the right page. So click on the Realtek. Guys, now we are on the home page of Realtek. There you will find drop down menu in the left top bar. Click on that. Now find download option. Click on the download. There again drop down will show you, that is overview, communication networks and computer peripheral ICs. So click on the computer peripheral ICs. Now scroll down. There you can find the product line. So select the drop down for PC audio codecs. Click on that. Now again select the subcategory, that is high definition audio codecs. Click on that. Now scroll down. In my case there are 3 options available and I am suggesting you always go for the first option, that is the latest driver. So click on the software. Now scroll down. There you will find different operating systems, Unix or Linux and Windows. In our case, we have to download for Windows. So go to the Windows category. Under the download, find 64-bit or 32-bit. So in my case, I'm using 64-bit. If you want to know which bits your operating system is using, just minimize it for a while and open the Windows Explorer. Then go to this PC. Then right click on the empty space and select properties. There you will find system type, that is my system is using 64-bit operating system. If you are using 32-bit, you can go for and download 32-bit software, but I'm using 64-bit operating system. Let me close this window. Now let me open the browser again. Here I need to download the 64-bit software. So click on the 64-bit Vista. Then you will find the download button in the left side. Click on that. Now I accept the above. Check the box and select download this file. Here you need to solve the captcha. Let me type that. Then go. Now it will start the downloading. You can see here the download is around 252 MB in my case, and it will take bit more time to download this file, and it is based on your internet speed. I'll be back once it finished. Guys, the download has been completed now. Let me open the file from here or open the downloaded directory. Then right click on the driver and select open. Let me close the all windows. Now it will ask you to yes to continue the setup. Say yes to continue. Guys, it will take bit of time to install the software. Guys, just follow the instruction from the installation field. Say next. Now this will ask you to restart your computer once. So to apply these changes you must restart. So just select the yes, I want to restart my computer now, and if you don't want to restart right now, you can select the next option. I suggest the yes and say finish. Now it will restart your computer once. Let me show you how the driver is installed in the device manager once it restarted. Guys, it restarted now. Go to the Windows search bar and search for Device Manager. Open the Device Manager from the best match result. Double click on that to expand. Now you can see the Realtek HD Audio Manager and driver has installed on my PC. So now you can use the Realtek HD Audio Manager to control your audio devices. Let me close the window. That's it friends. This is how we can download and install the Realtek HD Audio Manager on your Windows operating systems. Hope this video helps you. If you found helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Also, don't forget to like, share and comment. Okay, let's meet in the next exciting video like this. Till then, bye bye.